issue of pure cards by India Post. The Department of Post is going to issue POID cards, Post Office identity cards for the citizens of Andaman Nicobar Islands. The card will be issued to all Indian citizens who are aged 18 years and above. Cards will issue after proper verification of the address furnished in the application with a validity period of 3 years. For further information, please contact nearest post office issued by the Director of Postal Services, Andaman Nicobar Islands, Port Blair. Issue of Post Office identity cards by Indian Post.